So here's the second problem I'm going to go over out of your Khan Academy problem set this week. And I'm going to use this problem to show you how to use a table to solve this percentage problem. So let's read it. Mrs. Conley asks her class what kind of party they want to have to celebrate their excellent behavior. Out of all the students in the class, so here's my first keyword, out of all the students, which means that all the students in the class is my total. 5 want an ice cream party, 7 want a movie party, and 10 want a costume party. The rest are undecided. So it looks like they tell us how many kids want which type of party, but it doesn't give me the total. Now my question is, if 20% want an ice cream party, how many students are in the class? Because it tells us out of all the students, it means that all the students is my total in this problem. So I'm going to bring this to my table setup. Remember, my table setup is number and then percent, 2 columns. So I'm just going to put all the information I have onto my table. So first they tell me 5 of the kids want an ice cream party, 7 want a movie party, 10 want a costume party, and the rest are undecided. And then in the question stem, it says if 20% want an ice cream party. We already know that 5 kids want the ice cream party. Now we also know that that is 20% of the total number of students. Now, because the question is asking how many students are in the class in total, I need to find out what number goes or corresponds to this 100% in my table. Now, this is going back to equivalent ratios. It's the same table strategy as equivalent ratios. I need to figure out a way, if 20% is 5, I need to figure out what 100% would be. Draw your arrows. I know that 20%, I need to jump to 100% either by multiplying or dividing. I know that I can multiply 20 by 5 to get to 100%. If I multiplied one of my quantities or categories by 5, I need to do the same thing on both sides, which means I have to take this 5 and then multiply it by 5, which is what I did on the other side. 5 times 5 gives me 25. So now I need to interpret my table. 100% means 100% or all the students in the class. 25 means then all students, or your total.